Hello, flashlight people. This is a color rendering comparison. This is the regular LED Coke 4Sevens. This is the neutral white LED 4Sevens. This is the Hi-CRI LED 4Sevens. The warmest, the coldest, I hope you can see the color difference. This is Hi-CRI, color rendering index, CRI. As a doctor light, this is the best one. Look at this cool color combination. Satin finished titanium. It reads Preon. Slightly tapering thicker to the head. Very good ergonomics in the hand. It's a doctor light. And this is a tactical white. I think this neutral white is very good for house use or, actual utility. Walking on the dark sidewalk, watching around as a user light. Most useful color quality user light, tactical light, and the best doctor light. Highly recommended for doctors. Preon2 Hi-CRI version. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.